Hi, Greg from Defu back again with another cybersecurity video. Today we're going to talk about phishing scams and how to spot them. Phishing is one of the most common and dangerous forms of cyber attacks. It's estimated that over 90% of successful cyber attacks start with a phishing email. That's why it's so crucial to learn how to identify these scams. First thing to watch for is unexpected requests for sensitive information. Legitimate companies and organisations will almost never ask for your password, credit card details or personal information via email. If you receive an email asking for this kind of information, be sceptical. Next, check the sender's email address closely. Phishers often create email addresses that look almost identical to legitimate ones, with small variations. For example, an address might be admin@secure-yourbank.com instead of admin@yourbank.com. It's a subtle difference, but a huge red flag. Be wary of generic greetings like "Dear Customer" or "Dear User." Most legitimate companies will use your name. Similarly, watch out for spelling mistakes and grammar mistakes. Professional companies typically have editors who ensure that their emails are error-free, while phishing emails often come from individuals who don't pay as much attention to detail. Finally, don't click on suspicious links. Always hover over any link in an email to see where it will actually take you. If the URL looks off, meaning it's not the official website of the company, then do not click it. Some email security products, like the one we provide here at Defu, will scan all URLs prior to delivering the email to ensure you won't receive any malicious URLs. But if you're unsure, it's best to go directly to the company's website by typing the address into your browser or contacting them directly. Remember, cyber criminals are getting smarter, but so can you. If you want to ensure you see these daily videos throughout the month of October, then head over to our LinkedIn page and give us a follow, and to our YouTube channel and give us a subscribe. Tomorrow, we'll be talking about securing your devices. See you then.